Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, back up here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are back out here in Independence, Missouri. This is day 2 of the project that we got started on Friday. We have a few different scopes of work, so we'll start here in the back part of the crawl space. On Friday, we thoroughly cleared all of the debris from this room, cleared the walls as well. On these brick walls in here, we're going to be performing our renovation, where we're going to be using our high-strength concrete mortar from top to bottom, corner to corner, and just really smooth out the walls here. Once that mortar has dried, we will apply our white waterproofing paint. In addition, you can see there's really not any vertical supports, proper vertical supports holding up the floor joists. So we're going to be creating new high-strength concrete footings underneath the floor joists. There's a couple more forms that we have to get set up, but we are going to get new 6x6 treated wood support posts running horizontally under the joist with verticals coming down to the new concrete footings. So we will first make sure that the joists are level before we install the final verticals. And that's this part of the crawl space here. Inside the cellar, we're going to be doing the same renovation work. All of that mortar should hopefully be done today, and then it should be dry enough tomorrow for us to start doing the waterproofing paint. But yeah, in here we just have the renovation. We're also going to be doing a lot of work on this little entry area. You can see some of the brick here we had to remove. It was just falling out and really damaged. Same with the two side walls here. And then of course you can really see the damage on the concrete stairs. So all of this is going to get smoothed out, patched. Any kind of damaged concrete we'll remove as needed. The stairs we're going to form up and essentially pour a new high-strength concrete cap over the top, and really make sure that these stairs are nice and neat. There's way too much of a gap here from the concrete pad here to that first step, so we want to make sure that everything is safe for the homeowners and all that. So the final bit of work we're going to be doing on this project, this door here to the cellar has a lot of rusted hinges, handles, so we're going to essentially get a new door made up, new framing once we get the walls taken care of. So that'll be our last little bit here. There's a handful of cracks also on the outside that we're going to be sealing up. So we're essentially going to kind of work our way from the inside out on this project. So today, again, we should be doing all of the mortar work for the renovation part of the project. We should be getting all of the concrete poured for our footings. If everything goes as planned, tomorrow we should be painting the newly mortared walls and start kind of getting our forms set up for the stairs. And then once those footings are dry, we'll get our permanent 6x6 support beams in place on top of the footings, and wrap up hopefully on Wednesday, just doing the last remaining work on the outside as far as sealing the cracks and getting the new door and everything put into place. So stay tuned for more updates as we continue along out here in Independence. 816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And again, don't forget, you can always search for King Piers LLC on YouTube and Facebook. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. Thank you.